is our last tour for a while. I'm glad that you came out to see us. Thank you very much. Glad to play with some of our friends tonight. Glad to be here with you on this nice evening, and thank you for your support over the years, man. It's very much appreciated. It's a tough time in the music business now for bands. Here's what you can do. If you like a new band, buy their record. You know, that's what they need. They need your support. You come to a show like this, buy a t-shirt in the place. Don't buy from those cocksuckers outside. These guys are bootleggers and they're fucking scum. Buy it inside. That's your lecture for today. You've been a good audience. Thank you. On guitar, Robin Fink. On the bass, Justin Melville Johnson. On drums and keyboards, Ilan Rubin. You guys have been fucking great. Thank you very much.
When you say